G here from OG Creations. It's great to see you again. I'm trying a slightly different format this week, so I'm diving directly into the tie-dye. In this video, I'm dyeing up an apron inspired by a deliciously floral and beautiful cocktail I found a couple of years ago, and it quickly became a favorite. And just for fun, I'll include the recipe at the very end of the video so you can try it too. I'm starting with a 100% cotton apron purchased from Amazon. This has been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes, and then using a spin-only cycle, it was spun until practically dry. The cocktail's purple, so I wanted as many shades of purple as I could get, so I'm giving this one a base dye. I'm using Wisteria. I noticed a few spots were still pretty light, so I dunked it again. I squeezed out all of the liquid and then set it aside for about an hour or two. Using kite string, I start at the corner and do this kind of crumple bullseye combo. I crumple up some of the material, tie it up, move up a little bit, and crumple some more. I continue this pattern until the entire apron is fully tied up. On my dye rack, I apply 3 different colors, lightest to darkest: lavender, lilac, and Nightshade. I let it set for another hour and then I flip it over and apply my colors to the back. Now while I'm applying the colors, I want to explain why my videos have been taking a little longer to be released and why they may slow even more in the coming weeks and months. Without getting too much into the weeds, tie-dye is a very particular genre, and when you branch out and try to add some different ideas or items to your channel, well, the algorithm, as it currently is, gets jacked up and my channel has totally suffered from it. I am no longer being suggested to new viewers, and I'm just floating out in the middle of a sea with millions of others getting nowhere. After spending multiple hours speaking to bots or real people, I'm not really sure, there isn't really anything to do other than wait and wait some more. Some suggest doing nothing with your channel for a month or two to see if it refreshes. Others say continue adding videos to see if one gets picked up and that triggers some new movement. I'll try both, but I'm not really sure it will do much. In the meantime, I would love to ask, if you enjoy these videos, please share the channel with your friends and family. It would greatly be appreciated. Now back to the apron. Once fully covered in dye, I set it aside for 48 hours in a 70-degree space. It's rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increased the temperature to hot to ensure that all that soda ash was removed. I then run it through the laundry using a cold water cycle and a hot water cycle. Then I dry it, iron it, and pop it on my Etsy store. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com.
Any questions?
And if you have any questions, make sure to pop them in the comment section below. I'm happy to answer them all. One of the ingredients for this cocktail is Empress gin, and it uses butterfly pea flower. And by adding an acid, it takes it from a bluish shade to a pink one. And so I wanted to use purples that had both blue and pink in them. And I think it matches perfectly. What do you think? Like I said earlier, this cocktail is chock-a-block full of floral notes. So it may not be for everyone, but if you do try it, definitely let me know. Since this is February, I'll give it the name of Violet Love Potion. But name it whatever the hell you want to. You will need 3 ounces of Crème de Violette, 2 ounces of Empress 1908 gin, 1 ounce of Lavender Vodka, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and if you want to make your own, it's just equal parts sugar and water heated together until the sugar is fully dissolved, and then you cool it down. You'll also need 1 egg white and a splash of lemon juice. Now fill your cocktail shaker full of ice, add all of the liquids, including the egg white, make sure your lid is on good and tight, and then shake it for 30 seconds. For me, a good sign is whenever I no longer hear the ice rattling around in the shaker. Strain it into your cocktail glass and enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed the video and the cocktail. I'll see you soon.